friends, and welcome to the Metal Shop's clandestine off-site location. Here we're looking at my fabulous Ford Escape rental car. And yes, New York plates. Yikes. I live in New England, alright? I look like a real a-hole driving around here with New York tags on my car. Conversely, if I lived in New York, I wouldn't want to drive around a rental car with mass tags on it, especially not right now where the Red Sox are playing the Yankees in the divisional round of the playoffs. Not a huge baseball fan. Anyway, we're off to the body shop. I'm just here to pick up the T-Rex grill, and here is the Saleen logo and the hash mark stripes, the decals that I had to purchase from Saleen directly. So you're looking at over $500 in parts. Under here is the Jeep YJ intake manifold headed off to the powder coaters. We're gonna get that taken care of today too. Outstanding. All right, at the body shop. So not super torn down. Headlight, grill is out. Less work than I thought has been accomplished, unfortunately. Doesn't look like this has been damaged, which is good. No, it's not too old. One day later, the whole front bumper off. It's getting there. It'll take a while. You need this. What? This piece. Yeah, like an air core?
Yeah.
Put the grill and the decals and stuff
I just
in the
got
back. All right, so the long-awaited update on the Explorer Saleen Sport. I've been rocking the back to the stock grill just while the T-Rex custom grill was being finished, customized. So this thing's, they cut it out at the body shop in anticipation of the T-Rex grill, but even the third one I got came broken. You saw the pictures. 2 from Amazon, completely smashed and worthless. The 3rd one I got from Summit Racing was usable, but it did have 1 broken weld that was unacceptable. So I've been rocking this for a few weeks now. You see the old one up there in the rafters. You know, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. Somebody want to buy it? Somebody offered me, I don't remember how much they wanted the last one for. They wanted me basically to give it to them for free. I said, yeah, I like $100, you know, and I'll cover shipping, and they weren't into it. Anyway, still got to do graphics, chevron graphics over here. It's just been too cold. It's got to go back to the body shop. They're going to put the grill on. I paid for it. They left a nasty scratch all the way down through the paint here when they put this grill back on. That's got to be repaired. They left me a nasty scratch in the tailgate too that I'll have them buff out. So, picked this up from the powder coaters. They modified this. They kind of eased a couple of these grill bars here to accept the logo so it would sit flush. I bought the T-Rex logo because it's made for this grill, and it actually fit better. Obviously you can see upside down for my application in between the slats. I don't know if you can see how you kind of ground this flat so it would ride in there nice and flush. So what I did was, let's flip that over. One of these welds right here was broken. So this piece here on the grill could move. It went, you know, would go up and down and just no good. So they fixed that weld. They completely stripped it. They powder coated it. They zinc primered, you know, heavy zinc primer, powder coated it. It looks way better than the original. So here's what I did. In the back, this is actually a piece of, believe it or not, this is a piece of pick guard material. I have a big sheet, a full sheet of pick guard material for making scratch plates on guitars and so on. I just needed a piece of black plastic for my application to accept the speed nuts. I did put a little bit of Loctite thread locker blue on those. I don't want those to come off, but it's plastic, stainless, not going to corrode. So what we're going to do is just going to stick this in place here like we did before. I did a little differently last time. Last time at Fabricator, he welded in an aluminum flat piece that we stuck the grill on, but it didn't. That was difficult for him to do. He kind of bung up the slats on either side. It was you know, so I elected to do this differently. Believe it or not, what you're looking at here is almost $100. This logo, $50 plus shipping. This was $28 plus shipping. So yeah, $100 in, you know, plus shipping for that little gizmo deal right there. So let's hang on. We'll stick this on. All right. So she's on there. Sorry, you know, no big deal. You know, you're sticking a sticker essentially. You know, just the double-sided, the 3M product. I did clean both surfaces with a 3M adhesion promoter, isopropyl alcohol, to make sure that we get super good adhesion. It's kind of chilly out here today. It's not quite 40 degrees. I'll leave it in the car. Inside the garage, it gets close to 50. I'll leave it inside the car. Should warm up and it will adhere eventually. So the next couple updates. The next update will be once this grill is on, we'll get those hash marks installed, and I'll just show you the finished product, which you've already seen, but the newly finished product. All right, cool. All right, so we're gonna finally close out the video of the deer strike. This thing is still not done. I actually hit a deer on September the 11th, and the car was quote unquote done on December the 11th, which was just a few days ago. I'm still missing the hash mark decals here. It's just been too cold to adhere them. You can see this gap. It's not outstanding compared to some other Explorers I've seen, but it matches the other side. So, you know, it is what it is. But here, so we've got the grill and it's finished. This one, I think it fits a little bit better than the other one. I'm a little happier with how the logo turned out on this one, where, you know, they really ground down a couple of these bars, and I actually attached a T-Rex logo to it, which is attached with screws. I showed you guys that, I forgot. And then just adhered this with a really good automotive quality 3M. So yeah, like I said, I just wanted to close it out. I will put those chevrons on. Oh yeah, I wanted to mention this here. There's a nasty scratch in the new finish that one of the body guys put in there, so it does have to go back to have that touched up. It keeps getting put off and put off. We're going to be after Christmas now to have that fixed. Maybe when it's in the body shop and warmed up, I will attach, I'll put on those chevrons. I have them. I'm just waiting. Car's super dirty, but yeah, so it is finished. Try and get you a good shot here. It's tough here in the garage, but you know, it's like 20 degrees outside, and so it is what it is. Anyway, all right, my friends, I thank you for watching this video. Technically about 3 months in the making. Oh yeah, cool thing, new bumper cover, no license plate holes. They didn't drill it. I didn't have them drill it. I'm not even gonna have them in there. You can check out my previous videos on the Explorer where I had to remove the license plate bracket and cover up those holes, but this is nice. You can see here where I've kind of rubbed those. They were so dirty. I think they're artificially setting off the radar sensors there. Actually, it was kind of cool. Look at the dirt. You know, the dirt and salty, briny water, whatever, kind of makes a neat pattern there on the hood, the way the air moves over this thing. Anyway, as always, my friends, I thank you for watching. Again, the Explorer Sport Deer Strike video, 3 months in the making. This will finally close it out. I appreciate your support for following along. Please click subscribe, hit the little bell if you want to get notifications. I try and put out a video every week. It's a lot tougher for me in the winter time, but I am trying. And like I said, my friends, please give me the thumbs up. Appreciate your support. Take care. Bye-bye.